So we have a machine gun in our bathtub spigot. So we'll play with it while we can here. That's fun. So this is a Moen spigot, and these are great as far as quality and ease of repair. So the only thing we have on us right now is a Phillips head screwdriver and a pair of channel locks, because nobody wanted to run down to the truck and get a crescent wrench. So a pair of channel locks and a screwdriver is all we have. It comes apart easily. Thank goodness for stainless steel screws. The washer comes out without any problem. The replacement goes in without any problem. I believe that was a 3/8 washer. Some quick reassembly. Everything goes back together easily. Another thing that's nice about these Moen spigots is that they give you 2 sets of handles. So if you can keep track of them, when these plastic ones break, you have another set of handles you can put on them. Sorry about the noise. The machine gun's gone. Everything's back in order, it's running, we're good. No more machine gun. So these 2 washers here, the one was just worn out. The other one had I guess a cut or it broke there. It's probably why we were getting the machine gun effect. The other one was still good, just getting worn out.